Alright guys, welcome to Crypto NFTs. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use Pancakeswap, how to set it up and everything. So what you basically need is a Metamask. You need to download, go to metamask.io, click on download. Then I'm using Chrome, and if you use Brave browser, yes, there's an extension for Brave browser too. So you click on install MetaMask for Chrome, then it's gonna take you here, and then you're gonna click on add to Chrome. Then it's gonna say read and change all your data on the website you visit display. Then you're gonna say yes, add extension nevertheless. So you're gonna wait and let it add the extension, and boom, MetaMask has been added to your Chrome. So right now MetaMask has been added to my Chrome. Get started. Okay, so basically you see this armor sign. This armor sign is what you need to click on. Usually I'll go there, then I'll pin it. Make sure you pin it to your extension, to the window, so that you don't have to be coming here every time. Just click on this, then it's gonna be pinned. As you can see, is right here, so it's very easy for you. That provides easy access. So right now you don't have any business with Pancakeswap yet, since you just set it up. You just set up your MetaMask. So what you just need to do is click on the MetaMask and open an account. Get started. So if you already have a seed that you want to put in, you can put in here, because usually when you open a new MetaMask, it's gonna ask you for a seed that you want to use. A seed is like a password. You need to make sure you store it. You can put it on maybe your Google Drive or your offline drive or nothing. Just make sure you keep it in a very safe place that it cannot be hacked, because anybody that has access to your seed is just like your password. They can take all your money from your wallet. So what you need to do is I don't want to put my own seed right here, so I'm gonna just click on open a new one, create a new account. So it's gonna ask you all these MetaMask, blah 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 blah, and then you're gonna say okay, I agree. It's gonna collect your full IP and everything. I agree. Then you need to create an account. So what you need to put is a password. Let's say what password should I use? Make sure your password is pretty tough, so you can say oh my god, let me say my password is gonna be I am to fly for 2022. Then I need to do that again. I am to fly for 2022. Okay, so password has matched now. So what I just need to do is I have read and agreed to the terms of service use. So click on create. Then it's gonna give me this is very important, guys. Make sure you don't lose this. So usually your secret backup phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. Warning: never disclose your backup phrase to anyone. Anyone with this phrase can take your Ether forever. That is, they can take your money forever. So what you basically want to do is click here to review your seed. So this is the seed for this one. The seed, usually I'm gonna write it down. You're gonna get a pen or paper to write it down. But if you don't want to do that, you can, I'm sure you have a sniper on your computer. Take a screenshot or whatever you use to take a screenshot. I would use this to take a screenshot of this, so that I can find it in a safe place. Once the screenshot is taken, then you can save it on your computer for future use, or write it down on a piece of paper. Make sure you don't lose that paper. This is very, very important. All right, so right now I'm gonna write this down, because I know I'm gonna need them. So the first one is youth, chunk, deal, and make sure you write it exactly how they follow, because you're gonna need that sequence when you are trying to put your, maybe you change your computer or you want to put it on another thing, so you make sure you write it exactly how they sequence, because sometimes it needs you to write it exactly how they are written in sequence. So if you miss that sequence, you might be locked out from your account. So make sure you pay attention to everything. This is very important. This is crypto and everything has changed. So and no, don't save. So we can move on. Next. Now you see what I'm telling you now. Confirm your secret backup phrase. Please select each phrase in order to make sure it is correct. So you have to follow everything in order. Make sure everything is in order. The first one is youth, because I wrote it down on the paper. The first one is youth. The second one is chunk. The next one is due. Another one is you. Another one is opinion. The next one is am. And the next one is easily. And the next one is swear. And the next one is vast. Okay. And then the next one is retreat. And then the next one is memory. And then the last one is rough. If this does not follow exactly in the same order, the way they've given it to you, it's not gonna go. So let's see. Yes, I've been able to set up my account exactly the way they gave it to me. All done. Token swapping is S. So right here, you can swap your Ethereum to any currency, to any cryptocurrency and all that. But usually, if you're gonna use it with Pancakeswap, because Pancakeswap is actually on Binance Network, it works with Binance. So you need to convert this Metamask to Binance. So what you want to do is go to Binance. Okay, so what you want to do is trying to set up this for Binance. So you are going to go to custom RPC. You see what I did right now? You come to Ethereum Mainnet, click on Ethereum Mainnet. The reason why you're trying to boycott Ethereum is because of the Ethereum gas fee. The gas fee is so ridiculous right now that a lot of people are trying to boycott it. So what you want to do is that, so a lot of people are using Binance now, but you can still switch. If you have some things you want to buy on Ethereum, like if you want to use Uniswap is another version of exchange, just like Pancakeswap. They are both DEX, decentralized exchange. So if you want to buy something on Uniswap, you need Ethereum, but if you're using Pancakeswap, then you're going to need Binance. So you need to go to custom RPC. So if you click on custom RPC, then it's going to take you to this. You need the network name, you need the new RPC URL, you need to change ID. So basically what you would do is, like, you have to go to Binance website. You probably would need to type in let me just for the training, just write Binance setup for for Metamask. Okay, so it's gonna take you to the, let's see the page. Use Metamask for Binance Smart Chain. Let me see. There's a part that talks about how you set it up. Okay, so if you go to this place, they're gonna tell you exactly what you need to fill into that. So what? Now let's see. So right there on the site, you can see your network name is gonna be Binance Smart Chain. So what you're gonna do is you're going to come back here. So it's gonna be Binance Smart. You can actually call your network name anything. Actually, it doesn't have to be Binance Smart Chain, but I just like to to use the default, Binance Smart Chain. Then the new RPC URL For the RPC URL, you go back to the site. Sorry, you go back to the site. This is a picture, so you cannot copy from here. So it's gonna be https ://bsc. What you want to do is like trying to write this first. Okay, get a notepad. Oh my god, my notepad refused to. Okay, so what you want to do is get a notepad, you know. Okay, so Binance, for the URL, https ://bsc data seed .binance.org. So you can copy this, make sure it's correct. If you can confirm that this is correct, then copy this and then copy and then take it to your setup. Put this URL right there. And then for the chain ID, what is the chain? The chain ID is 56. Put 56. And then for symbol potential, put BNB. Don't change that one. This is very important. BNB. And then what else? For block explorer URL, that is optional, but I would still put it anyway. For the block explorer, write it out too. Change this to bscscan.com. Right? Oh, sorry, I need to put that in caps. I don't know if it matters though. bscscan.com. Right? Make sure it's correct. Then if that is correct, then copy it and then put it there. Then that's it. That's all you have to do. Then click on save. Okay, so Binance Network has been added right now, as you can see. So what you want to do is now go to your Metamask. If you go to your Metamask now, the Ethereum would have changed to Binance. So right now this has been changed to Binance. Then right now you can actually interact with Pancakeswap. So what you want to do is go on Pancakeswap. Now click on connect. Then choose your Metamask. Choose Metamask. So if you basically try to connect and it gives you no provider error, what you would do is try to manually connect it. So what I would do is I would go to Metamask. Okay, then let's cancel this. I would go to manually, click on this and these three dots, and then click on connected site. After you click on connected site, account 1 is not connected to any site. Then click on manually connect to current site. Then it's gonna show you this. Then you're gonna click on next. View address permitted, blah blah blah. You're gonna say connect, and then it's gonna connect. And now it is connected. So if it ever shows you that error, just manually connect. Just follow the same process that I do, and then you're connected. So yeah, so it is connected now. So now that we are connected, we should go to trade. Now you're ready for the real thing. Now go to exchange, click on trade. After trade, you go to exchange. Now this is the exchange. Now we are connected right here. So make sure Binance is showing right here. Right now I don't have any Binance on my account. I need to transfer Binance on my account before I can make a trade. Now let's say you want to, there are some preset. If you want to see the value of your Binance, you just need to type USDT, you know, so it's going to show you the value of whatever Binance you're having right here. But right now I don't have nothing, so I mean, if you don't have nothing, you can't get nothing. So what you basically need to do, if let's say if you want to buy what is the trending thing right now, let's say Dogecoin. Usually if you want to buy Dogecoin, I don't think usually this Pancakeswap is gonna be actually stupid for you to come on Pancakeswap to actually come and buy a coin that has already been listed on exchange, because it's damn very expensive to buy from a Dex network exchange right here. So what you want to do is this is only useful for coins, new tokens that you know they've not been listed. If they've never been listed, then this is a good place to come and get them fast. You get them fast up because you know by the time they get listed, it's always too late. The hype is already down. You know, you're probably not gonna make nothing from it by the time they get listed on normal exchanges, on the CEX exchanges. But this is a decentralized exchange. Most new tokens are first launched on decentralized exchange before they get to CEX exchanges. CEX is a centralized exchange like your Coinbase, Binance, and all those things, because those ones are very easy for newbies to catch up with, but these ones are pretty advanced for new users to do. As you can see, all the process that I took you to, the new users don't know how to do all this easily. So that is why most new tokens come here first, are available on platform on exchanges like this first before they get to your normal regular centralized exchange. So what you want to do is like let's say let me know a token that has not been listed, or let's just say SaveMoon. I think that's about the most popular token now after Dogecoin. So what you want to do is like you want to go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a place where you can see a lot of information about any coins that you're interested in. So what you want to do is go to CoinMarketCap. Okay, so now look for SaveMoon. Some new tokens are not even listed on CoinMarketCap yet. So if the coin that you're looking for is not listed on CoinMarketCap, then you would have to go to their website to copy their contract. What you're looking for is the contract address. Contract address is the only thing that you need to run on the Pancakeswap to be able to buy the token. So this is where you see contract. This is where you see the contract address. Click on this. Usually I'll click on that, and then it takes me here. Then I'll copy the contract address here. This is the real contract address. Copy the real contract address here, and then go on Pancakeswap. You have your Binance and you want to swap it, you want to exchange it for SaveMoon. So what you want to do is like click on air, paste it, and click on it. Then it takes you to it brings out the SaveMoon thing, and then you click on continue. This is just for trading purpose. This video is not telling you to buy anything. I'm not telling you to buy SaveMoon or nothing. Remember, if you're trading in cryptocurrency or the blockchain industry is still at the early stage of its life, and a lot of developments are coming up. There's no certain guarantee that something would happen the way it is. Even Bitcoin, people are still making a lot of problems. They're still getting into a lot of problems with Bitcoin, and I'm sure if you've been following Ethereum, you can see there's still a lot of problems with Ethereum, and that is why that is why Binance is going up. There's still a lot of road to go. We still have a lot of way to go. So you might lose your money, you might lose all your investments. And luckily, if you get lucky sometime, you might make money 100x 10x your money. But that is not to tell you that it's a financial advice, because this thing is still, nobody really knows what is, nobody can actually catch up with everything that is going on in the crypto world. So right now, if you have Binance, what you just do is just type the amount of Binance that you want to exchange, maybe one, and then click on, because I do not have anything right here, so it's not giving me the option to swap. Let's say I have something in my balance, it will bring out swap, so I can click on swap. Then it's going to interact with my Metamask. Then I can now click, you just follow the prompt, and then boom, then you exchange. And then when it comes to slippage, you can come right here to set your slippage. You can say it depends on if the coin that you want to buy, the token that you want to buy is so popular that you might need to set the slippage higher. Sometimes you might even need to set it up to 12%, I mean 12% for it to go through, because this is a community exchange. Individuals like you are the ones providing the liquidity air. So this is not your regular exchange where the token owners are mandated to bring to liquidity. But right now is the owner of the token that is providing the exchange, so you would have to make sure you are able to pay them good taxes before they can actually allow you to trade what you want to trade. So this is more expensive than your regular exchange, but it can pay off if you're able to get a token at its early life and you're able to sell it once it goes, you know, into the mainstream. So that is why a lot of people are crazy about getting a token first on Pancakeswap, and then by the time it gets listed or by the time it gets popular, you know, they're already in profit and then they can, you know, cash out and all that. But that is not a financial advice. A lot of people have been losing money too, because you can actually buy a scam coin and lose all your money, and or market sentiment can just change at any time. So I hope this video helps you on how you can actually trade and set up your account to trade on Pancakeswap. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to know that I didn't cover in this video. Just comment below. I'll see you soon. Thank you.